offset China, and in the times when China's growing influence on Sri Lanka is being talked about, this visit sets a precedent, also enhances the relations between the world leaders and paves the way forward for what remains to be next in the India-Sri Lanka ties. As a big cultural show and grand ceremonial welcome has been accorded to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, what can be looked forward to next?
Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me, Simran?
Yes, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah, so here you take a look at the visuals on your screens. The cavalcades of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Dissanayaka have now departed from the Independence Square in Colombo. From the Independence Square in Colombo, the Prime Minister and the President are headed now to the Presidential Secretariat, which is a very short drive. Just in with few minutes time, both the leaders of the states are going to be arriving at the Presidential Secretariat. At the Secretariat is where it is going to be the start of the restricted bilateral talks between both the leaders, and that is going to be the big emphasis, the big highlight of this entire 3-day visit, during which there are going to be talks that are going to be held with regards to the MOUs that are to be signed, what is going to be the future road ahead for Sri Lanka and for India in terms of energy, infrastructure, auto industry that is setting itself as a huge footprint in Sri Lanka. We also saw just very recently, weeks ago, that there were these the Tata Motors released a number of its EVs in direct competition to the Chinese EVs that have made a stronghold in the country of Sri Lanka. So that is something that is going to be an interesting watch that we'll keeping in mind that it is at the end of the day the press statements that is released and the MOUs that are signed and what are going to be the details of it that are going to be read. The fine print will have to be read to understand how it all works out for both the countries. And here you take a look now, the cavalcades of all the other ministers. The foreign minister of our country, S. Jaishankar, is already departed, and there's the foreign minister of Sri Lanka. That's foreign minister of our country, Mr. S. Jaishankar, who's now stepping inside his car. We also see that the other ministers and the officials and bureaucrats who are accompanying them have also now taken their seats in their respective cars. They will all now be headed to the Presidential Secretariat. Simran, I will keep you updated on these developments. In the meantime, we ourselves are headed to the Presidential Secretariat right now.
Well, absolutely. In fact, as